Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our last some lectures, we have discussed about AI, like their architectures, component, intelligent agents, environment, rationality, rational agent, their challenges, application, everything in detail with examples. I have mentioned a complete AI playlist link in below description box. You can refer this playlist for your university exams, interview, and placement preparation. Now, from this session, we will start problems and algorithms in AI. So, today's session we will discuss state space representation, or we can say state space search problem in AI. Let's start the session. So previously we have already discussed all the subjects in detail with practical demo, solve examples and important question bank. So please subscribe my channel and share this with your friends. That will be beneficial for everyone. Now, in today's session we will discuss state space representation and search with their components, application, Tower of Honoi problem, advantages, limitations and important question bank. So let's see all these points one by one. Now, what exactly state space representation? So this is the one kind of method which represent the problem in AI. For example, in Google Map application. Now you want to go from initial state to goal state, like source to destination. So at that time, Google Map agent find out all possible path, like all possible states and all possible actions, like left, right, straight in this way. And by analyzing all those things, they find out the shortest path for the user. Got it? So this thing is called as state space representation. And in AI, it is usually represented by graph or tree data structure. For example, why this state space representation needed? See, in Google Map agent, they have some question when user set source to destination. So at that time, AI agent need to know where to start, what actions can be performed, then what are the possible states, which path leads to the goal, and which path is the best and shortest path, right? So state space representation gives answer of all these questions. And after that, Google Map agent find out the shortest path from source to destination. Got it? So this is the concept of state space representation. Now let's understand with the example. Now let's understand components of state space representation. So we will understand all these five components with real life example. So see, there are total five components of state space like initial state, state, operators means action, goal state and path. So let's take an example of robot and consider that currently robot want to move from room A to room D. Okay. Now see, the first step is initial state. Initial state means starting point, source of particular problem. And currently, the particular robot is in the room A. Means this is the initial state. This is the source of problem. Okay. Now next thing is state. State means current condition or current situation. For example, currently robot is in the room A. So this is called as state 1. But after that, robot goes to room B. So this is the current condition. So this is called as state 2. And after that, robot goes to room C. So this is the current state again. So which is called as state 3. Basically, each movement create the new state. So these are called as states in AI. Next one is operators. Operators means actual action or movement performed by the robot or the movement from one state to another state. See here, for example, currently robot is in the room A. Then they perform the action move left and go to room B. After that, they move right and go to room D. So this is the actual goal state. Got it? So this is called as operators or action. This move left, move right, move forward, this movement are called as actions. Next one is goal state. Goal state means final state, desired destination. See here, this particular robot want to move to room A to D. Means goal state is room D. Robot reaches here, their destination. And next component is path. Path means sequence of states that connecting from initial state to goal state. For example, A to B, B to D. So this is called as path. So these five are the components of state space representation. Now, these all are the applications where state space representation problem have used. Like in robotics, to path planning in particular home or warehouse, then a Google map, find out the shortest path, puzzle solving, like 8 puzzle, 4 puzzle, numbers problems. Next one is in gaming, like is in the chess, then tic-tac-toe game, route planning, manufacturing, like robot arm movement planning, like move left, move right, move straight in this way. And again, this problem used in multiple AI search algorithms. We will understand all these search algorithms in our next session, like BFS, DFS, A star. This all algorithm use this particular problem. So these are the major applications of state space representation. Now, the next topic is what exactly state space search. So as we discussed earlier, we all are familiar with the example of Google Map navigation system, right? Suppose you want to move from one location to another location, like from source to destination. So Google Map find out the shortest path from the multiple path, right? So for this purpose, searching algorithms have used like BFS, DFS, A star, uniform cost search. So Google Map used any one searching algorithm to find out the best path from source to destination. So this thing is called as state space search. Basically, they are using searching algorithms. Got it? Now let's understand with example. So suppose in Google Map navigation and you want to travel from home to college. So there are total possible two route. First route one like home, market. In market there was traffic and after that college. Home to college. So this route 1 required total 35 minutes. Now second route is home, highway, flyover and then college. So this second route required total 20 minutes. So for finding this thing purpose, Google Map used these searching strategies or algorithm and they find out the best path. So which particular route required minimum time, that is route 2, right? So Google Map agent shows route 2 towards the user. So this thing is called as state space search. Now the next topic is Tower of Honai problem, and it is one of the most important classic puzzle solving problem which is widely used in AI and data structure and algorithm. See here, I think you all are familiar with this problem, right? Like there was a particular rod and multiple discs are there in a smaller to larger size, right? So this thing is called as Tower of Hanoi. Now let's understand what exactly Tower of Hanoi problem. See, so there are total three rods: source, auxiliary, and destination. Now there are total three disks from smaller to larger. Like smaller is on the top, larger disk is at the bottom. Okay, and your goal is you need to move all these disks from source to destination by using auxiliary. This is your goal. So this Tower of Hanoi problem having some rules. First rule, you can move only one disk at a time. This is your first rule. Second rule, you can remove only top of the disk. Okay. And third rule, you can place larger disk at the bottom. Means this sequence are compulsory, like smaller, medium and larger. Smaller at the top, larger at the bottom. Got it? So these three are the rules. Now let's see how to solve this problem. So let's see how to solve this problem. See. So what is our initial state? There are total three rods. Rod A, rod B, rod C. You need to move all the disk from rod A to rod C by using rod B. Okay. And you need to mention the sequence same. Like at top, smaller one, medium one, and at bottom, larger disk. Okay. See here. So your first step is just pick one disk at a time. Okay. So pick disk number 1 and move to rod C. At next step, pick disk number 2 and move to rod B. Okay. Next step, C. Now there was the larger disk is there and you need to put up this larger disk in rod C at bottom. Okay. Because we need to follow the sequence larger, medium and smaller one. So for that purpose, first you need to remove this smaller disk from C and place into the rod B. So after that, pick up larger disk and move to rod C. Okay. Now next time after 3, there is a disk number 2. So you need to pick up only one disk at a time. So just pick up disk number 1 and put up into the rod A. Okay. And now then pick up disk number 2 and move to rod C. And at the end again pick up smaller disk and move to rod C. See here at the end they follow the same sequence like smaller, medium and large. So this thing is called as Tower of Hanoi problem. Means they are exploring multiple paths and find out the best possible path from this and solve the problem. And that's why it is the state space representation problem. Now, these are some advantages of state space search and representation. Like they are solving complex problem, easy visualization is there, intelligent decision making because they find out the shortest path, right? Then they find out the solution systematically, step by step, in proper manner. Then there are multiple searching algorithms. They are based on this problem like BFS, DFS, A star searching algorithm. And this problem is widely used in AI, robotics, gaming, and navigation systems. Now, these are some limitations or disadvantages. See, the main disadvantages is suppose any particular application which having larger number of data. So they generate millions of possible state. So to analyze this million state and find out the best one, sometimes it is much difficult. Then again, it required the significant memory and it is the time consuming process because they analyze exploring multiple paths and find out best one from this. Again, sometimes searching may take long time for complex problems and some algorithm do not always find out the optimal solution. So these are the advantages and limitations of it. Now, as per your previous year question paper, you should prepare these questions like explain the concept of state space search with example for 6 marks. Then explain Tower of Hanoi problem for 6 marks. So here you should draw the diagram of Tower of Hanoi problem for all the steps. Okay. And next one, what is a state space search? What are the advantages for 4 marks? So prepare accordingly. So this is all about Please subscribe my channel. Thank you and stay tuned for my next video.